Alright, what's up guys? It is another beautiful Sunday morning in San Diego. It is just after sunrise and we are headed out. We are going to go up to Palomar and meet up with whoever wants to join us. So yeah, we'll see who shows up. It's going to be a fun day. Getting back into it, here we go! So we all met up at the spot, but it's raining. So right now we're gonna go meet up at the gas station. We're waiting for one more guy. We're gonna see what we want to do, and then we shall decide where we're going for after that. Because rain is not good for Palomar. Nice. Eye drop in my eye. I mean, water drop in my eye. Kind of feels like the zombie apocalypse or something. I forgot Steven was coming. Holy fuck, it's just slippery enough that it's sketchy as balls. Take it easy. Dude, Mitch must be freezing. 420 miles. Fucking Mitch is wearing like his baller watch as a motherfucker. He's fucking rolling a Rolex, no gloves. He's like the fanciest squid out there. Yeah, I know. I just didn't want to make a sharp turn. So I'm going through the cones. All right, so all setbacks aside, we have finally mastered our gathering space. We are ready to go. Rundat finally showed up. And now we are gonna just kind of wing it. We're gonna figure out a plan. We don't know where we're going quite yet. We're gonna go that way. You're a beautiful spin. Thank you. Oh, look at that butt. Just wanna. Yeah. Wow, yeah. Okay, I don't know how it's possible every time Nico forgets to get gas. I don't know how many videos, I haven't made that many videos, but in like 90% of my videos, Nico needs gas. We're making a thing. Alright, Nico is good to go. Nico is good to go. Let us return to our journey. Nice. Yeah. I always feel like if me and some dude are both like riding this line and we go out for like a hand motion, we could like high five. Just like, ha! I know. Crack! Oh, fuck! I broke my hand. That's why I don't understand dudes who punch mirrors. I'm like, how do you do that and not like worry about breaking your hand? No, I got hot. Oh! You just got me and Josh right behind you on our tanks. How'd you guys get so far behind? I guess I'm like the warning scout. My squad! Do it for the game, I do it for the squad. Oh, hey, look at this. A lighter. Oh, it's out of fuel though. Dude, it's starting to rain. I think I'm gonna be done after this, dude. I don't like the rain. These corners are too tight. I'm too scared. Yeah, I'm just gonna turn around. Let's just turn around right here. Yeah, dude, let's get under this tree. Okay, so we got benched, we got rained out. We're not going to be able to continue our Palomar ride for today. We only got a couple runs in, so we're going to go figure out something else to do. That's right, geezer, get it. Get it, yes. Oh, did he see the car coming and like jam his front brake? That sucks. Turn your key off and turn it back on. Your tip sensor will keep the bike from turning back on. You're good. What the fuck? This is how close I am to losing my shit. Just fucking dump it right that way. Dude, I think it's still my favorite part. Like the best example of bike life in the world is that we met Mitch in a parking lot. Down the south 15! Drive safely, in memory of Captain Russell. I'm sorry, Captain Russell. Getting that clit massage. Fucking gets on the back. Whose bike was it? I think it was Ryan's Ducati. Where she got on the back and she's like, I want to see how good it vibrates. So fucking Mike gets on it and they go for a little ride around the parking lot. She's like, pretty good. Pretty good, I like it. Stay. I was gonna say, I'd assume he'd wait for us at some point. I shot him with my whip. It's one way to stack a quad. Anytime you feel like passing, I'm sure we'll all be obliged.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, that was sketch on the back end of that. Coer Canyon riding. Alright, so we are now riding through Coer Canyon. We came off Palomar Mountain. Obviously it was raining. And now we're just going to be trying to get a little bit of some carving in because, you know, didn't get to live out Palomar quite how we wanted to. Take the opposite lane. Oh shit, I hit something in the road right there. That was sketchy. My tire like bounced. It actually moved my steering wheel. Alright guys, so this day ended up being quite actually a lot of fun. We ended up just kind of dicking around for most of it. We ended up making a cool clip. And then, so hopefully you guys will get to see that. Rundad's going to edit that, throw that up on probably the Instagrams. We're just going to have fun, guys. That's really all we do. It's been a good one. I'm Rhino R6. We got Max FC, Mitch rides bikes. Where's Baldo 675? Rundad R1. We got Peter Brondinelli. We got Nikonic. Alright guys, I'm Rhino R6. Stay horny.